I'm Kristen Gallup, and I'm an adult gerontology primary care nurse practitioner, newer, but I am from Maine. So I came down after finding the website. I decided that I really wanted to come down to try to do the interpretation for lab and also the interpretations for x-rays, because that was just something that I didn't really get in school. And I saw the workshop, the boot camp for injections and suturing, so I wanted to check it out and was lucky enough that I could. The first 2 days, well, actually the first day that had the interpretations, I'm thankful for the x-ray. It was amazing to actually feel confident when I was done. Dr. OG was patient, and she's a very good educator. So it made learning how to interpret x-rays incredible. And then the lab, I really enjoyed it because I felt like I had a basic understanding of most labs, but she really got in there and kind of put it all together, which was good. I would say if I was to adjust anything, at first I thought maybe I would have the lab first because it's just a lot of information, and by the end of the day, your eyes can be a little tired, but I understand why they did it this way, because the x-ray, she was trying to train your eyes to be able to see what you should see on an x-ray. So it worked out really well, and I was super thankful that I added that onto the boot camp workshop. And as for that, I was super excited about it. So it was amazing to be able to learn these different types of blocks and suturing and feel confident. They came around and wanted to actually see that we were doing it right down to the last detail. That was what I needed, because it gives you that confidence that when you go back to wherever you're practicing, that you really do know what you're doing. And I like that we have the little skin things that you can just practice on until you wear it out. So, and we haven't done it yet, but today is injection day. Super excited for that, because obviously sticking a needle in somebody's joints that you can't actually see is a little alarming. So I'm really looking forward, and I feel confident with the education that I'm taking back to Maine with me. And I'm really hoping that some of my colleagues will notice the change from the education that I've learned, and that they'll sign up and they can experience these workshops too.